1. Develop a strong, cohesive brand identity. This includes creating a unique brand name, logo, and visual aesthetic that reflects your brand's personality and values. A cohesive brand identity is a consistent visual and verbal representation of a brand across all channels. It includes the brand's mission, values, personality, and positioning in the market. 2. Create content. Consistently producing and sharing valuable, relevant, and engaging content is crucial to building an online brand. This can include blog posts, videos, graphics, photos, and other types of content. In 2023, when creating content online, it is important to create video content. 3. Be active on social media. Social media is critical for building an online brand and connecting with your target audience in 2023. The main platforms to build an online brand are Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, and LinkedIn. 4. Build a professional website. A well-designed website is an essential element of any online brand. Keep it clean and concise, and help viewers easily gather whatever info they came to your site looking for. 5. Establish yourself as an industry expert. Share your knowledge and insights with your audience through blog posts, speaking engagements, and videos on social media. This can help establish your brand as a trusted source of information in your industry. 6. Engage with your audience. Building an online brand involves more than just sharing content. It's also about building relationships. Engage with your followers by responding to comments and messages, and encourage them to share their own thoughts and experiences. 7. Collaborate with other brands and influencers. Partnering with other brands or influencers can help expose your brand to a larger audience and establish your credibility both in local areas and industries nationwide. 8. Create your content. Now you have your beautiful website, you need some content. Whether this is content to fill up your website, shiny nude blog posts, white papers, videos, or interviews, it's killer content that will draw your visitors. 9. Embrace social media. Embracing social media is the next step in building your brand. You don't want to give it the cold shoulder, but you should also avoid squeezing the life out of it. Instead, aim for the middle ground with a firm, loving hug. Our top tip here would be don't expect to. 10. Promote your brand. Isn't this the same as step 8? Well, yes, but also not quite. Social media is definitely one of the main methods of promoting your brand. It got its own section after all, but it's not the only way.